Kaizen is a Japanese philosophy for continuous improvement. It involves 5 actionable steps to optimize workflow and efficiency in an organization. The first step of Kaizen is to identify opportunities. Here, teams actively search for processes that can be improved by observing and collecting data.
The second step is to analyze the process by focusing on understanding the existing workflows in depth, to pinpoint inefficiencies.
The third step is to develop an optimal solution. This involves brainstorming and developing solutions that effectively address the identified inefficiencies from step 2. Implement the solutions is the fourth step of Kaizen. Here, the planned changes are executed, carefully monitored, and adjusted as needed.
The final step of Kaizen is to review and standardize the improved process. This step ensures that successful process changes are standardized and shared across the organization, while also reviewing the impact to solidify gains and plan for future improvements.
This 5 steps Kaizen framework fosters a culture of continual improvement and employee engagement. Take your organization from being good to great. Apply Kaizen to improve productivity, operational excellence, profitability, and resilience.
Visit drshrutibhat.com for more information on operational excellence and product development, industry-specific case studies and free white papers.